How Shampoo Ginger works with lye water to make natural detergent with Suds. Peace and power. I am Lord Augustus, and this is Real Hoodoo, the land-based, covenant-rooted system of our ancestors. Today I'm showing you how Shampoo Ginger works with lye water to make a natural detergent with Suds. And I've got the living plant right here so you can see it for yourself. This is Zingiber, zerumbet, Shampoo Ginger, even young, before the red cone forms. The identity is already present. The leaves are strong, the stalks are upright, and the whole plant is built for cleansing. This is one of the only plants on earth that produces its own natural soap. When this plant matures, the cone fills with a golden, slippery liquid. Our ancestors used it as shampoo, body wash, and a gentle cleanser. It gives you natural suds, not chemical foam, but plant-based surfactant. Now let me connect this to the ancient system I taught in my earlier video. How to make scented lye water. The ancient soap system hidden in ash and trees. Lye water made from wood ash is the original detergent. It cuts grease. It breaks down dirt. It cleans clothes with no foam at all. Shampoo Ginger is the original Suds. It doesn't cut heavy grease, but it gives you foam, fragrance, softness, plant-based cleansing action. So when you mix the two together, you get the complete cleansing system. The ash gives you the detergent. The plant gives you the suds. Now let me give you the exact ratio, because this is where the system becomes practical. For every 1 gallon of lye water, add 1/2 cup of Shampoo Ginger liquid. That's the balance. That's the sweet spot. That's the ancient pattern. The lye water does the heavy cleaning. The Shampoo Ginger adds the foam, the scent, and the softness. If you want more suds, you can go up to 3/4 of a cup. But 1/2 cup per gallon is the clean, efficient ratio. You're not making bar soap. You're not doing chemistry. You're combining two natural systems that were designed to work together. And here's the message from the land. Some things cleanse with strength. Some things cleanse with gentleness. But when you combine them, you get completeness. This plant teaches identity. The lye teaches function. Together, they teach balance. Even when the plant is young, like the one before us, the identity is already here. The assignment hasn't shown you yet because the cone hasn't formed. But the nature is already present. And that's a message for us. Identity comes before assignment. Purpose comes before production. The seed knows what it is before the fruit appears. So yes, Shampoo Ginger works with lye water. Yes, it makes a natural detergent with suds. Yes, the land still provides everything we need to clean without chemicals. I am Lord Augustus, God of the Real Hoodoo, and this is the wisdom of the Shampoo Ginger plant and the ash-based detergent of our ancestors.